big bash. Today na one special day where we dey celebrate the night father. Oba one night ni Yoruba area Olorun. So today na him birthday, you understand? We got to celebrate him, you understand? Make we change color of the eyes. Now instead of make we go street, we want enter the offices. We want see who truly love Ogbolo, aka the night father. Make we celebrate in birthday today. Oh yeah, make we shakiti bobo today.
Yes, happy birthday, Ogbolo. He's a nice guy, good guy, stupid guy. What more can I say? As a producer of the show, Ogbolo, many more years, headstrong, property, prosperity. Unfortunately, this guy will send me, come give me this microphone, he's slacking armpits.
Happy birthday, Ogbolo. I want to wish you many more years and happy returns.
I love him.
Eh?
I love him.
You love him?
Yes, he's my friend. He's an amazing person. He's very foolish. He should learn to stop being stupid. He's a very stupid boy, but he's an amazing person.
Okay, happy birthday to you, Ogbolo. What can I say? Many years, perhaps you can take 130, no vex, 130 years for you. Thanks.
Oh, wait to the bone. You know I love you, my brother. But it's just that you're wahala to me. Now something where we say I don't buy him already. And you know, I don't go to sell him to another person. I love you, brother.
Let us sing for him.
Which kind of
My voice don't crack up.
Oh, Ogbi.
Ah, Ogbi.
We love you, Ogbi.
We love you, Ogbi.
You're just a soup.
But you're just a soup.
Okay, Ogbi, I wish you all the best. Like I just tell them, they do for your own birthday. Make the madness continue. No stop the madness. Because if you stop, hunger will kill you. Ogbi, and make a nego boa. If any na chono wa again with it. Hey, Papa, you know, in a yala can I ye basia nature. Ye bala. Nah. It's Yana Lala. Mbanya ye bala come. I'm not coming for Nako. Ogbi, and making a good boy.
Ogbi na my partner in crime. So therefore, Ogbi from I stay here from the chief host, the host minister of Wazobia Radio. Don't wish happy birthday. So in the language, I say yebala na lala, abi yana lala le yebala, yebala. All those just keep modding and go. As long as just keep be modding as the so far as the pocket is Malachi. The Malachi is going. Just Madon. If I do t-shirt right, Madon. I'll be aka Madon. Happy birthday, bro. Feast. Okay. I'll be in there.
God will continue to bless you. You go get more money. You go marry your own wife. Now that last one, I think very, very important pass.
Why they prolong the matter?
Ogbolo, happy birthday. Now me say you dey like this.
Why they prolong the matter? I don't know say they pay me.
Now me you ask question. You
why you just talk? Say back what?
Okay. 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 I don't talk anything. I might say anything.
I want to do like I want to be like I'm the one and only son. Many people where they confuse me about
You're good. Okay.
Oh yeah, no. What do you want to? Calm down. You want to? Okay. What do you want to? So now I go by the name DJ Easy, that's already known.
Yes.
This honorable guy with it here. Now in birthday we celebrate today, and of course if you not hear that song where I just play finish just now, talk say like father like son, but. Unfortunately, some of our audience don't the question me say that song don't suit our guy here. Based on who he be. Say Popsy fine pass but why and how? So right about now they're going to come one by each to the ask the Night Father, aka Ogbolo, aka Michael Uba.
Yes.
Say now why the paro be like that. So the first person goes through commenter now. Maybe the person gonna ask Ogbi, the night father, their question.
She want to be mine. She want to be mine.
I better go, Ogbolo.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.
Why you be like this now? That song, it no just be your own at all. You get see your I bet look your papa now.
I know.
No, look at me again.
I know.
Look at me again first.
He did the family.
He gentle one.
Yes.
He fine die.
Uh-huh.
Thirdly, it's too as in the complexion is very different. It's just now you being picking.
My sister, okay, you don't ask finish.
No.
You want to ask just. No, actually. If you see my twin sister resemble everything like my papa.
You be twin.
Oh, you don't know?
Oh.
Now. So two of us share the same. Okay, make I answer that question now. The reason why be say my pale. Okay, she not say if I pass me.
Yeah.
No worry, I still get future. I still get future based on the thing now your papa. But actually, for the family, my twin sister follow Popsy. Me, I follow Momsy.
Okay.
So me black. My twin sister yellow. If you see my other brother self yellow. See the younger, the last one for the house. You go talk us with the share complexion, one kind. So you understand? So we just share different things for the family. You get so now basically that one. Now my real daddy.
My real daddy.
My real daddy.
You clap for you. So now the second man now will come ask me a question. Okay, I'm going to.
Okay. Today. Hey. All right.
Obi.
Yeah.
I still remember myself on MC Wazobia.
Bam.
But the big question is why I disagree with that song right from the beginning.
Yes.
It's a pleasure we have your father in the house. You know, so some of us on the mad, we know they like make our parents come see where we they mad. But thank God today your father don't come see where you they mad and the
We are the hustle. Now my hustle. That Papa no. Say that the hustle na my workshop with this.
Okay, so no problem. Okay,
anything.
since you na ninth father.
Yes.
So Popsy na ninth father senior.
Yes, or the night godfather.
Okay,
or the
godfather.
night godfather.
Okay, now, the madness, when they bring the money, now from this side, Popsy, or now from the Momsy side. Since color come from the Momsy, the madness come from where?
Wow, nice one. Thank you.
Okay. Actually,
see, when I try, don't hear that much.
no, the truth, when they grow, as Popsy, I quiet, Married, Abi, daddy.
Yes, very quiet.
Very quiet.
Yeah.
I quiet.
Bet.
Now, is it?
Bet.
Okay.
No, but the real truth, Michael will be the original pikin when they born. He quiet. But along the line, come find out say, Michael quietness, no they bring Osusu come house. The quietness, no they bring money come house. So along the line, I can't go do boarding school. For Bini. That's why they always tackle this boy. Because now they spoil me. I can't go Bini. Now that Bini now can't learn how to they talk plenty. Because my JSS1, they show me. All those your brother them, they show me. So I can't say no, I cannot just come to you like this. I must show myself. What's that word they gave for Bible? Show myself approved. You understand now? So I can't go learn the talking. So before from JSS2, enter SS3. So nobody for the family. Even though for Mom's side they talk, not be lie. Mom's side na Paco now. Mom's side every Paco I resemble them. Pop's side they be Bori, Botsy. So I get the mixed blood. Okay. You got just a package now. You understand? You know, you got just a package. I just
pose like Popsy now. Pose like Popsy.
No, wait, no, they always see me. They always put my hand like this. Now Popsy I carry on.
Well, actually,
you don't let it like this. Clap for me. They do anyhow. But you know, based on that whole thing, I got to learn to hustle, and the hustle dey for mouth.
All right.
You guys, so you know, if you hustle for mouth, be quiet person.
Okay.
You must develop some kind of thing. So now the creation of a bolo come to be. But the real
right.
Michael,
a
quiet guy.
Calm guy. Okay. Now you don't try for that one. So I want to say, at the school where you go, and many things where you don't see.
The Bini area where I go school.
You don't do.
I have the shots. I'm gonna know.
They shout the Bini. You don't do. So now I get one other confirmed guy. When I will call now, we won't ask you in your personal question.
Personal.
Yes, but this one try make you not dodge jam. Oh yeah, my brother, make you represent.
Kabuchi, give yourself brain, no.
My God.
Give yourself brain, no. Give yourself brain, no.
Okay now, oh yeah now. DJ Easy Beat.
Talk to me, Baba.
Oh yeah now, it's not the matter. No shaky.
Showbiz Weekly.
Oh yeah now, let that go. Oh, but now sharp one.
Yes.
Vale, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good night, sir. See now, you know, the level now don't be like this. Never know see now, so you can't be last.
They talk like that bad thing. That's what you can't be. Now don't spoil.
Okay, calm down.
No, wait.
Just calm down.
But now tell me now, when you dey grow up, you know, with Popsy,
Yes.
what thing be those things where we say you dey do and they draw for you? What thing be those things when they say in the time they give you stool down, I'm not draw your ear, I'm not, you know, pancreas for your backbone. Which one he give you pass? Because the way I look at it, if you quiet, the black person go tell say when you get home, you see me. So tell us more. Yeah.
I go talk out for in front. You see, when they grow up, I quiet too, but I can't stubborn, one kind stubborn. I don't let's cause wahala for house. Today I don't break glass. Tomorrow I don't do this one. I'm gentle. And not the two get that time say one day beat picking anyhow. You understand? And day I go talk am anywhere. Not be wicked person. You understand? He get very gentle heart. So even that time when we small, I do anyhow. Sometimes I talk, you all use talk to correct you. At the same time, there's some time when you don't do extreme things. You call you na hand though. If I touch you. You understand? Oh, you don't do it, you carry me. That time I small like this.
Yes.
You put me for don't come on. Biggity, ba, be. I go bedroom, I go look. but after the whole thing, and this one I happened some days back. I say, now what I learned from my popsy be this. So even when I correct my children, one hand go beat the pikin, the other hand go bring that come. But I go see carry us come out later in the night. That time for loot, For loot, they get one suya spot like that. You understand? One suya spot where they just make tea. To that be lover of tea because of Pale. Pale, you make tea, carry us go there. So after all the beating, you can't say carry us go chop. So you let's say, okay, don't correct you, but at the same time, come and shop. So, so for that one, so I learn well. But from my left side, as soon as they mess up like this, you know Tongaristic. Whoa! You're gonna find it in here. So that one at the backward side.
That's it. Okay, now the last but not the least, get one of that young man wants to hear people where they talk on behalf of the men. This guy represent man on behalf of the man them. So he sabi himself. He know.
Now one of the friends who I don't get for long too. We hustle dance together. But my brother.
But today I ain't go ask you a question where you never experience.
I know say you won't come. Get sense for your head. Finish. Shocky.
Yes. Daddy, we welcome you, sir. We
Thank you very
greet
much.
you. We greet you on behalf of Cool TV. Yes. Now let me be the touch person for you now. So that the both of us now the same side we did. This one on the back side, the people with the street. Yes. Ogbe, yes, Ogbolo.
Yours.
The question I want to ask you is very, very simple. And I know say a lot of people want to know from outside there. Say, okay, as they go, what's in the happen? That's simple thing.
Okay.
Today, how old are you? not be football age, you define. Don't give us football age. How old are you today? A very simple question.
Not answer question. Wait. Is it your answer?
You better.
Okay, we'll talk now.
Yeah. Because say my guy. Based on saying my guy.
No, based on how you want to know whether I talk true or lie? Or how they know who they lie or they talk true?
If you lie, we gonna know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Forget. Okay, actually.
Daddy is here.
You know me.
So,
okay. So right now, I turn +1 today. +1. Yeah! Baspa! So +1 today. I don't pass 30, Sha. I don't pass 30. We all live out there. I don't pass 30. But I never 35. I don't pass 30. So I not be small picking again, no. But I all know.
Okay.
Bash.
Yes.
The way they look me like
No,
this.
hate me too much. No, me too much.
Okay.
The problem is say, now me do the voice pop.
Yeah.
And I see many ladies talk say they love you, they love you, they love you. I want to ask now.
Yes.
All those you're hanging out with babes, all those women rapper, where you learn after? It's just a palace for where they just
See, okay. Mona look my palette now. Just look my palette now. You don't say he handsome finish. Say at the age when you don't date so, palette still look like this. Now, some days back on the 10th, my palette just don't enter 70. I mean, okay, make you no go talk about TV. Make you no go talk about TV. So that they know. Oh, palette don't age. You understand? Now we small picking again. Imagine take am back now. To when Pale young like me, you go no say Pale na star boy.
Yeah, guy.
Pale, if you see pictures, for my twin sister, they proud. They carry popsy picture everywhere. See my dad when he was young. See my dad when he was young. Eh? So, actually, sorry. Perhaps, I'm not the way Pale young.
Okay.
You understand? But one thing I know is say, now the kind of work what they do. My own, say, generosity from the female fans, not simply because I did good at what I did do. When I will be my guys, they will not say they appreciate things. So this one not be say man or woman or anything. You understand? Women, they're more emotional. So naturally, you get them to say, oh, Ogbe, we love you. But man don't go fit talk to you, oh, Ogbe, we love you. You know, sound well for ear.
All right.
Now I'm just be that one, not be say anything. No, woman rapper not there for my family.
All right.
We are good people.
All right.
Righteous.
All right.
And holy.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, now my own question is say now, not lie. So they tell me to make I do this one, I will do and well for you.
Okay.
And on behalf of the late night show crew, so this very question they come give you. So as the question will meet you,
yes,
make you endeavor to make you not lie. You understand? Just there as the thing they come.
Okay.
Okay.
You only can't play.
Calm down, not the rush, not the rush. Is it your question?
They want dim lights.
No, don't worry, nothing will happen. Okay, Ogbe.
Yes.
So now all the ladies, according to Big Bash, now they always talk say they love you, they need you, they want hold you, they want do this, they want do that one. So now we want to ask you now on behalf of the night show crew and their fans waiting there.
Yes.
Now who be the special woman now for your life?
In all day.
Ogbe.
Yeah.
On national TV.
Yes.
Wait, calm down.
Yes.
If you come up for this show now, where they go?
After this show, I get event.
No, event not day today.
Event not day today?
No event.
No, I get event today.
Your personal event?
Yes.
My people, Ogbe no want to talk truth.
No! Make I tell you the truth. Where I don't reach for my age now, what I dey like for say this? Where I don't reach for my age now. No need for kurukere waka. You understand? I'm yea or nay? Eh? Shut up now, get out of here. No be lie. You understand? No need for, if you don't date, you come out officially say, okay, see who they here. And that's so we take they go. By the special grace of God, we'll go enter the next level very soon and things go happen. But if you know day, you go say a day. You know day now. So there's no special woman presently. There was, but there's no more. But very soon, God will still bring the right person. We go, you know. So basically, that is it. When I want to hear me, all of my ear, they scratch my ear. You want to do that? We will go on break. That be? Now you be the anchor today.
No, so that break we go on more.
Oh, yeah.